Which do you think falls faster, a feather or a hammer? It seems like a no-brainer, right? On Earth, if we drop them both, the hammer hits the ground in a flash, while the feather just sort of floats its way down. It's not even a contest. But what if we could change the rules? What if we could redo this experiment somewhere, completely different? That's where the magic of technology comes in. Let's step out of our everyday world and into a virtual reality lab. Imagine putting on a VR headset, and in an instant, you're not in a room anymore. You're standing on the dusty grey surface of the moon. The Earth hangs like a giant blue marble in the black sky above you. Now this is a cool place to run an experiment. Here we go again. In one hand the hammer, in the other the feather. We're on the moon, so let's see what happens. We release them at the exact same time. Look at that. They're falling side by side, perfectly in sync. They're not racing, they're moving together. A stopwatch pops up, tracking their descent, and they hit the lunar surface at the exact same moment. Let's run that back one more time just to be sure. Drop them again, and yep, same result. They fall together and land together. It's almost hypnotic to watch. So, what's the secret? It's all about something called air resistance. Back on Earth, the air is thick with tiny particles that push against falling objects. A feather has a huge surface area but very little mass, so it catches the air like a parachute, slowing it way down. The heavy, dense hammer just plows right through it. But here on the moon, there's no air. It's a vacuum. Without air resistance getting in the way, the only force pulling on both the hammer and the feather is gravity. And here's the mind-blowing part. Gravity pulls on all objects with the same acceleration, no matter how heavy they are. Without air to interfere, they fall at the exact same rate. This isn't just a theory. Astronauts on the Apollo 15 mission actually did this experiment on the moon and proved it. This is what makes virtual reality so powerful. It gives us a cosmic playground where we can test the impossible, see scientific principles in action, and explore worlds beyond our own, all from the safety of a lab. It turns a simple question into an unforgettable experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing journeys into science.